Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to live session on this FOMC day. We will have a Fed rate decision at 2 p.m. So this is an early live session where we will held on the market opening time, which will be open in 1 minute. And the market is now looking juicy. Now the NQ is up 0.2%, the ES is flat, the Dow Jones down 0.15%, and the Bitcoin here is up 2.5%. It's kinda will be a volatile day, but I think the whole action will start at 2 p.m. and the Powell will hold the speech at 2:30. So until we reach that time, market will be slow, but we will take our profit in any way, right? Because this is how we do it. Let's see. We have a 3 classified buy signal at the moment on the NQ. In 3-minute time frame, we have couple of bullish fair value gaps, and my target is this high, and it is about to taken out. So the market just opened. If you can hear me loud and clear, please let me know. No trades taken yet. I could have taken long here, but I just wanted to wait you guys. So we will take action together. Let's see the screener here. We have a strong bullish on 3-minute, on 5-minute bullish, and the 15-minute strong bullish. We got one exit and the target has been reached. We didn't took it since the live didn't start it yet. We will take a look at what we can do after that. So target reach, very nice. I hope you guys are feeling well and okay. Nowadays there are, a lot of crypto stalking going on now. Alright, we have this fair value gaps thing here. We see a change of character. Hi from Italy, Giuseppe, welcome to live session. My friend Eliran is here like always. Sending much love from Israel. Thank you very much, my friend. So what we're looking now is, let's see on the higher time frame here. Right, so what we have here, we have this target on the upside, which will let's make a calculation, 0.3%. I think it's a nice target, but for now there is no setup yet. The initial target was here before we start this live session. Market was trading here, so it's like a 30 ticks, which is very nice. All right, so it was like this. So this is our traditional setup where I take my position. This is my to-go setup, right? As all of you guys know, if you watched my videos, you should already know how I take my entries. So this is 2 to 2 risk reward ratio. It is very good. And the target has been reached. Lux Algo did a great job here. And let me see, the sensitivity was 15 there. Pink Panther, welcome to live session. So we're watching now some correction from the market on the short term. Let's see. What I want to see is one more fair value gap while we go to the next target, which is here, right? 18,380, which is also the Monday high here. And actually last 2 weeks was very nice, very nice. We capture a lot of good trades. We have been cashing out with our strategy. If you guys still don't know what is my strategy, how I trade, I strongly suggest you check out the channel, like my last recent Laxalgos videos especially. This is where I reveal my personal strategy. It has really nice win rate, like I think 80% win rate we have here. So today Fed meeting, Sengar vlog, welcome to live session. Yeah, today we have a Fed meeting at 2 p.m. So make sure you only take a day trades, friends. And Zoro in the house, welcome to live session, Zoro. Rate cut possible? I don't think so. I really don't think so. If we see a rate cut, we will make a new all-time high, no doubt. Josep, well, thank you very much. You are so kind. I appreciate the support here. So now we're getting a one classified sell signal on the 1 minute. I want to see a fair value gap, right? This is how it works. So let's switch to 5 minute here. We have these two bearish fair value gaps on the 5 minute here, and in 1 minute we have this one. So if the price wanna go down, where is the target? The target will be here, just the high of the equilibrium point, and we have the previous day high here. So the taking a short position here is not worth, because we need to put our stop loss the way above. And I see one more here and one more here actually. So this was got, this small guy got inverted. Ladies and gentlemen, today will be a very funny day, and how you say, the much adrenaline day. Try to learn ICT from you. I appreciate that. And you know what I think is, I will put a video where I show my exact ICT concept strategy that works really good. You don't need to learn everything. If you learn, of course it's a good thing, but why we are here is to make money. I want you to make money, and I want to make money. So if I find something that it works, I want to show you for free. And I want to shoot a video where I show my exact strategy. So it's very easy. I always told in my videos, but I will put, it will be a little bit long, but you will understand everything that ICT teaches you in like 20 to 30 minutes. So the target has been, we can say, hit it. This was the second position that we discussed. The problem is the risk reward ratio. Look at this 1-to-1. It's not for us, right? But that was nice. So guys, if you have any questions, don't be shy, shoot your questions to me. Today is the Fed meeting day, and you know, the most important thing about the Fed rate decision is not the decision itself, it's the Q&A. The target reached. So the Q&A means that there are a couple of persons in the room ready to ask a tough questions to J-Pow, right? And the J-Pow is here to answer the questions. And what I expect is market will push it back down, because the inflation is a real trouble for the United States. That's why I think we will see some blood in the street. So we have this target here. We could take a short, but today I will be more careful than the other days. I don't want to lose money before the Fed meeting. I will be very picky. I'm here to teach you guys. So let me teach you one thing. So we got a one classified sell signal here, right? And we have this bullish fair value gap here. If you watch my videos, you know it. So That was a bullish fair value gap, but when the price goes down and they fill that up, it called an inversion. So this is a bearish sign, right? And we will look for a short position only after this high is taken out. So we see that this high taken out, this was our first target, and what I will look for is the inversion, and we got the inversion here, and after that we see a bearish fair value gap here and the price touches that, then boom, you can initiate a short position here, and there is a two stop loss. The first can become here just above this fair value gap, or you can put the inversion. So both of them will work, but the risk reward ratios will be tough here, and the target will be, where is my short position here, and the target will be if we go with the bar close, will be here, right? And the stop loss this one. So not worth the risk, guys. No need to push. So the market is pushing down. Pink Panther, thank you very much. Yes, you can get it. Yes, you can get it. If you watch my whole strategy, you can get it. So if, let's say you enter a position on 1 minute and you are targeting this, let me see, and the stop loss is on the safe side, right? And the target is this low. So what we get? 1 to 2. It is better than this target. Can it be done? Yes, you can short it. But the thing is, you need to always take a partial. Let's say that the price came here, right? The price reached this low. It's cleared out. What you want to do is you will move your stop loss to your break even. And after some time like this, you will trail your stop loss. So in any kind of scenarios, you make the money. This is how I trade actually, but it's a very fast explanation, and I will show you guys how I do it in the long format video. So it really works nice. I don't want you to guys get complicated. So what you will look for is a sell signal from the Lux algo, right? You will use a screener to see that if the market is bearish, there is a trend string and a squeeze. So you will like a triple confirm it, which is very nice. So that's how it works. First you had a buy setup. Why did you decide to sell? All right, let me just go over quickly again. We don't have a bias for the whole day, right? We are day trader. The idea that we have in our minds should happen like in 10 to 20 minutes. So what we have here was, we have a fair value gap here, the bullish ones, we got a buy signal, and the target was there, this high. This high was my target. So let me just, I think this trade away is too big now. Let me just make it smaller. So target was this high, and it has fulfilled. Then after that we will look for inversion for the bullish fair value gap become a bearish inversion, right? So this is how it worked. Then we return to short, and the target, the first here and the second here. So still it's going on. Let me put it so with this bar close, the stop loss was here and the target is here. Will you share the recorded session later? Yes, always. I will be always sharing my live session recorded. Whether I lose money or make money, I will be sharing it. So what we see, the bearish fair value gap here, it is respecting, look at this wicks. There is nobody inside it, which is very nice. So I think the 90% chance that we will see this target to get filled. Considering a short position here, but it's not worth the risk. Let me see if we short now. We missing out. Come on. Not bad. It's 1-to-1. Let's trade. I think we missed it. Okay, the target has been reached. So the great thing is everything is recorded here, so you guys can see if I choose my targets before it hits or after it hits. So I always choose before it hits, right? Just we didn't get filled. That was nice. I consider this as a win. We couldn't get filled, but so the next target, let me show you. I have this target over here. This will be like a 20 ticks from that. As long as we respect this bearish fair value gaps, there will be a continuation on the downside. And after this target, I think, yeah, I don't have a target on downside for the short term. Let's see if it respects the whole bearish fair value gaps here. And now we have a targets on the upside. If we see a reversal, what we will do? We will jump in along. Let's see. So what I want to see now is a buy signal and a bullish fair value gap. Not so much good targets here, actually. We have taken this out. Ladies and gentlemen, today will be a volatile day. The market is basically flat now. The only up thing is the Bitcoin, which is like a 3% now. I want to see a bullish fair value gap, then a buy signal. Did you take a position? No, I couldn't catch it, but we called all the position here. I hope some of you guys captured it, because we called this high, we called this low, just like this. Okay, still rejecting from this bearish fair value gap here. If we see a continuation on the downside, this will be the target 235. 235. I don't know, where should I put it? Which indicator use? The Laxalgos indicator, and I'm using a fair value gaps, which is one is the signals and overlays, the other one is the price action concepts, the two of the indicators from the Laxalgo. When you take a trade, let us know. Yeah, of course. X, it's your voice, so Poa. I think it's another language, binary. Let's see if we clear out these lows. Do you see that how price is respecting algorithmically to these fair value gaps? It's just crazy how accurate it is. And once you see those things in your chart, Once your eyes get used to it, you are like cursed. You cannot unseen it. I want to take a position. We have called these two trades, but we couldn't catch it. That's why I don't like the limit orders, but nothing to do sometimes. The only thing very important with the market open trading is you need to think fast and click fast. The market will not wait for you to click a button or you consider your position. All right. If we see a clearing out this, yeah, I'm looking for a buy position now. Looking for buys here. I would be happy if we clear out this 235s here, but didn't do it, so a very tiny fair value gap. So what can be is like something like this to this. If I take a long here, it will be very aggressive entry and the chance is like a 50-50, but stop loss will be here, the target will be here. But no no confirmation. It's like a gambling this, but this will be a wise entry. 1 to 5, not bad. This is 1 to 3, but low chance. This could be the low of the AM session. I'm looking for a buy, guys. I want to see this fair value gap become an inversion, right? How you guys doing? Did you guys took any trade? Did you guys trading crypto here? Is there any trader here that trades Bitcoin or Solana Madness or these Sol meme coins? I really want to know what's going on with this Solana's meme coin. I have no idea for now, but I keep seeing some kind of meme coins and seeing some super strange gains here. Yeah, for me, like the Bitcoin and Ethereum is the most wise selection in that field, but these meme coins and these altcoins, for me, it's like playing roulette. Davor in the house, welcome to live session. So we're getting a buy signal here. You know, the thing here is I want to push a button for long, but there's a chance that there's a 50% chance that market will reject and clear out this thing. So two scenarios, obviously. The easiest positions are like this, like we discussed in the beginning of this live session, and these positions after the price clear out the highest point, then you look for shorts. It's very easy actually. Price pushing. We're watching the market on 30 seconds time frame, guys. Oh, we got a bullish fair value gap with the buy signal. Come on, don't go away. A short play still in the scenarios here. And this is the long, this is the short scenario. The market has an unfinished job here. You see, this week destroyed the whole bullish fair value gap. It was looking so good, but now it's rejecting on the pure half point of it. So the first time that the candle closed above the half point of this fair value gap. Alright, we have like a 20 ticks. A bearish fair value gap is here. All right, might looking for a short here. Jeez, it's hardest position now. The dollar is strong bearish and NQ is strong bearish. This is a problem. No correlation. Oh, red become a silver member. Thank you very much. Welcome to the club, my friend. All right, so now You know, I was about to hit the short and I just canceled it, and I was about to hit the long here. I just didn't do it. This was a very nice position. I missed this position. Jeez. Now you are learning how to become a patience trader. We have this a tiny little bullish fair value gap on the 30 seconds, but now it's that, I guess. If we remember that if we get this as a AM low, and if you take a long and if you target here, it's a highly risky position. So no confirmation. It's like a gambling. You are trying to do like buy the low and sell the high, but sometimes you can be lucky that it works, but the most of the time you will get trapped, right? All right, so let me see. This is, let's just put it here. This scenario is looking more juicy, right? This risk reward is 1 to 4. This is 1 to 5. Now it's happening. It's moving so fast. It's chopping around. Ferdinando, what is the difference between ICT and SMC? So this is a good question. So ICT is basically the concepts like where you can find the breaker blocks, order blocks, and the silver bullets, and there will be a macro times, the kill zones. But on the smart money concepts, you don't have something like a kill zones. You don't have a breaker block or order block or inversion, that kind of stuff. You don't have in that. What you have is order blocks, the change of character, the break of structure, and that kind of things. And I think you have also in smart money concepts the fair value gap. So you know the basically they have a similar theories but in a different names. And the smart money concept is, I think, mostly came from the ICT concepts. It's developing every time, and it's taking some parts from the ICT concepts, right? Nowadays it's very popular because it really works nice. If you put a work, I mean, like, you need to, you know, spend a chart time in front of your screen in the right time. What I mean by that, if you just sit down in front of your computer in the lunch time of the New York session, I think it's meaningless. But if you sit in front of your computer in like New York AM 9 a.m., it will be very helpful if you just stay up like till the 11 a.m. If you just watch the chart, and if you learn my strategy, what I taught here, you will see clearly that how it works, right? It's very easy. So this fair value gap is very, very strong. You see it, right? It's keep rejecting all the candles here, and it's killing me here to push a short button here. We have this target down here, we have this target up here, which is previous day high. All the market is bloodbath. Look at this screener here. This is from Laxalgo, by the way. And if you see that everything is strong bearish or bearish. All right, so I might do a one more live session in the 2 p.m. It will be fun, I guess, right? We will trade the FOMC. You see this choppiness here. It's like a seek and destroy or something. You know, I know that you wanna see some action here, but this is what we have. It's basically stacked here. It's like a ranging box. This is one of my personal strategies. It's more like a breakout. 2 p.m. When is that exactly? Yeah, it's exactly at 2 p.m. in New York time, because I live all across the globe. Where are you from, Zoro? Oh, you're living in Dubai. Awesome. You know, it's now 10 a.m. Uh, we will hold it on 2 p.m., which is 4 hours from now. After 4 hours, we will do. It will be fun. FOMC live session. Green or red? Choose your side. So you see, from now on, if you take a position, it will be more riskier because the price is doing the damages here. Look at this VIX. It doesn't go either way. We just take this away. Yeah, if that breaks out that, I will not be surprised. Okay, this fair value gap is one of the strongest ones. It keeps holding. More chances to be red. I agree. I agree. You know, I think my outlook for the year, by the way, until the elections in the US, we will see some bloodbath kind of situation in the markets, and after that, I think there's a high chance that Trump will take over the presidency, and after that we can see NQ will reach like maybe 20k and ES will 6,000. That's what I think, but you know, these kind of fundamentals are just like a funny theory, so we don't know. No one knows. Yeah, this is what we have now. Let's make a quick recap, then I will catch you guys in the Fed live session. So this was the two position, this one and this one. So the first one here, 1 to 5, not bad. This one is 1 to 2.7 and we captured this, but we couldn't jump in, but it's okay, no problem. There will be always another chance, like today. I think in FOMC session we will capture a nice trade. So if you will be around, just check out my live session. It will start on the 2 p.m. New York time. I want to see you guys there. We will take a trades. So these two trades was nice. I hope you guys can capture it, but we will capture more in the Fed live session. So thank you guys for joining this beautiful live session on this beautiful Wednesday. and this is not a goodbye, this is just like a break of 4 hours. I will catch you guys in 2 p.m. and until that time, stay safe, don't blow the accounts, don't just trade, don't took a position for now, just wait, right? And I will catch you guys in 4 hours.